Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two Bitcoin exchanges. First one is Bisq and the second one is Binance. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products or apps, and then we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's kick it out with Bisq. Bisq is about as far from traditional brokerage account as you're likely to get. It's a decentralized exchange which brings its own set of benefits and disadvantages. While it's more secure, you'll have to work harder to trade. Bisq is a desktop application that you need to install on your computer. You can download the mobile app to monitor any trade notifications, but you won't be able to trade on the go. You'll have to use your desktop. Plus, your computer has to be online for your offer to be alive. It's worth noting that Bisq isn't a company. It's a piece of software. Unlike a centralized exchange, you never need to give Bisq your money. But you will need to use a wallet for your transactions. Without getting into technical details, it makes sense to use a Bisq wallet for your Bisq trades. You don't have to provide any private information. Centralized exchanges may ask you to provide a photo ID or proof of residence and wait for approval. In contrast, you can start trading in less than 10 minutes with Bisq. There's a reason the large majority of crypto transactions go through centralized exchanges. They make it easy to trade both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. The big centralized exchanges are usually more liquid, so it's easier to buy or sell the coin you want. They are also faster and often offer more custom support. Customer, not custom. As countries introduce more crypto regulations, decentralized exchanges can sidestep those rules. But they also sidestep the protection the regulation offers. So you are less able to tell if you are getting laundered currency or cash from criminal activities. That being said, we can now check the app. As you can see, it's pretty basic. It's kind of simple, but it will get job done. I really like the fact that you need to download it and it won't basically work on your phone or iPhone. So let's check it out. In the left corner or the left sidebar, you can see all the buyers where you can sell your Bitcoin. On the right side, that you can buy your Bitcoin from. So you can change the currency and also offers by payment method, and also trades. Then a special window for buy and sell Bitcoin, and also you can set the filters according to your preferences. Your portfolio, but there's nothing in mine because I haven't connected my wallet into this, just for the sake of the video. And basically that's what you get in here. Bitcoin to USD, or let's go Bitcoin to euros. Then available balance, reserved and locked. Everything's in here. But let's talk about the other player. Let's talk about the controversial Binance. At the moment, with Binance, you can't really operate in US. And it's under investigation in UK. So it's really iffy. But you can sell and buy everything crypto connected here. So buy, sell crypto in minutes, they claim. So it's also decentralized, but you can buy and sell not only Bitcoin, but also many other, like 6,000 other coins. You can buy by credit or debit or deposit card. But the pretty nice thing about Binance is you can buy NFTs here. which is a new thing. So if you want to be unique and you really want to show off and own something classy and something that nobody owns, you can buy your NFTs here and invest into crypto this way. In my opinion, I would really go with Bisq, even though it's decentralized, which is like the biggest pro and also con about the Bisq. You can really feel secured. Everything's in your control. There's various payment methods, instant approval, no geo restrictions, but also the decentralization isn't for everyone. And the application may look basic for some of you, and also there's a potential for fraud since it's decentralized, as I said. So yeah, but it's better to go through some risk than not be able to basically work with Binance in some parts of the world because it's geo-restricted. So if you have more questions about these two, please leave them underneath this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to. And thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.